Hey, what's up everyone? Today is just a quick how-to video on how to remove taillights on your Pontiac Fiero. This is the first generation, the pre-facelift, I guess you can call it, 1984, but I'm sure it will work basically the same for all the models with this type of taillights. So basically it's pretty quick and easy, but just in case someone doesn't know and doesn't want to break something, it's better to just watch a video and see how to do it. Basically you have six of clips right here, which is those clips right there. Those are the clips that go right in here. You just pop those off very easily with just like a small flathead screwdriver. After you pop those out, you just have 6 bolts, which is this long weird mounting just Phillips bolts, screws I mean, and just put those to the side. They're decently long, and they go all the way through basically the tail light and mount, I believe it's into those brackets right here, it seems like it, yeah. And after that, I found it easier on mine to remove the driver side first, the left side first. I just put a flathead screwdriver right on the corner. It was right here, so I just put it right in the corner, pop it out, and then just pull it out. After that, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts on each side, so 4 here and 4 there. And you just have those little white clips over here, and you twist them, and basically twist them opposite of clockwise. And that's about it. And then you pop the taillight out, obviously. As you can see, my taillight is a little bit cracked up and it's faded, so it needs some restoration. And I'll be doing it right now on it. But yeah, if you want some more videos, stay tuned. Hopefully it was helpful. See you next time.